you guys, and we are right back with another video. Shout out to True Religion. We didn't purchase anything in the store today. Everything we ordered was online. So let's get into this first item right here. This is a Anorak jacket. That's how you pronounce it. And I rock with this joint right here. It basically says True Religion. Now they did have a bottom piece to go with this, but I didn't want that because it was an outfit I put in mind with this. I'm gonna try it on for you guys as well. Nothing on the back right here. Just basically True Religion on the front. And I think it's a zipper, yeah. Like right on, this right here is a pouch. Basically, your phone, keys or whatever, basically another pocket. And this was hard right here. This retailed at $139. I think I ended up paying like $85, $84 for this, maybe even cheaper than it. So this right here is this is hard. Y'all got anything on the sleeves right here? Nah. Oh yeah, it's a True Religion emblem right there on the side, right there. Open it up to show y'all. But yeah, let's get into the next item. Now my next item, I ended up purchasing this as well. This Varsity jacket. I think it's Hell Haven. This is Chief Keef's line of True Religion, if you don't know. But I got some, I'm disappointed a little bit when it comes to the Varsity jackets at True Religion because I don't know, for some reason, the pockets, y'all, and a few of my subscribers, few of y'all come and say y'all have purchased these jackets. For some reason, like the pocket don't be open. Like this is like my third my second or third one where the pockets are like closed. Like True Religion, I don't know what y'all got going on. Or can somebody explain to me why these jackets come with the pockets like closed? Dope jacket, as you can see the front and the back. Got a lot going on. Even up here in the front right here, patches all over. It's a True Religion patch. You know, even on the sleeves right here. So let me try both of these items on and get y'all opinion. Now this is the Anorak jacket. Basically with the hood. Shoulder soft. Dope. Pocket. Now I got it. Now that I'm trying it on, I really wish I probably would have purchased the bottom. The bottom so you guys can see it all together. But I don't know, I'm gonna make it work. Like I say, True Religion. Patch right here on the side. This right here is hard. So let me show you guys what sneakers I definitely be pairing up with these. And my sneakers I will be comparing. I don't know why I keep saying comparing. The sneakers I will be pairing up with this are my Travis Scott low mochas. You see both browns right here. This white True Religion part is on the shoe as well. Throw these joints on. Also, this zipper has a True Religion U on there as well. I didn't get a chance to show you guys that, but yeah, it's on there. So this is definitely what we'll be rocking. Dope little fit. And now let me try the Varsity jacket. And this is the Varsity jacket. Hella dope. Patches all over this jacket. A lot of colors from blue, white. This look like a coral, gray, yellow, green. Let y'all see the back of this joint. As far as shoes, will I be pairing up with this? It ain't no telling. I can go either way with these. My Jordan 12 Barons, those, or I could wear, I don't know. It's so many ways I can go with this. But my bone to pick with True Religion is these pockets. So if y'all have purchased the jacket from True Religion, if your pockets are coming like this, like what are you doing? Am I supposed to take it somewhere and get it unstitched? Let me know before I get the fuss and then it's on me. I don't want it to be a me thing and it's something that I don't know about. But that is my only bone, that I'm purchasing these jackets and I can't put my hands in the pocket. So once again, if y'all are purchasing these coats, let me know as well. Let y'all see these patches one more time. And most importantly, man, I truly want to say thank you all for tuning in. Let's run these numbers up. If you haven't already, sub to the channel, like the video, share it. Let's get this where it needs to go. Until the next video, I want to say once again, y'all continue to hear me say thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. Until the next video, I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ayy, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can of Twister, baby girl just wanna